How to save Hugging Face models. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can save models in the website. First of all, open the web browser that you use. In this video, I'm using Google Chrome. Now enter huggingface.co. So you'll be in this website. Now here on the top in the following section, here you can tap on models. Tap on models. So these are the trending models. You can select any one that you want to save. So for example, I am tapping on this first one. So this is the first model that is available. Now here you can see this three dot icon on the bottom. So tap on it. Now you can see an option called app on add to collection. So here you can create a collection. You can even give a name. So here I'm entering a new name. And now just tap on add to collection and you'll be done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helps you.